Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Sometimes when you try to install and uninstall the program on your Windows PCs, it could be Windows 11, Windows 10 and older version of Windows. It is possible that you see this dialog box with error message that is installer has encountered unexpected error with error code 2502 and 2503. In this video I will show you how to resolve this issue. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Open File Explorer, then this PC. Here click on the C drive or Windows installation drive, then open Windows. Here scroll down and locate temp folder. Right click on it and select properties. In the window that open, switch to security tab, then click advanced. Here click continue. Now you will see all users. Select the first in the list, then click edit. Here you need to check the box for full control. Then click apply and OK. Following the same procedure, you need to make sure that all users have full control checked. During the process, if any dialog box appears for the permission, please give it by clicking continue button. Once done, close everything and restart your computer. Now try to install and uninstall the app, and this time you should be able to perform the action without any error message. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notification about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.